'83 Mustang, I several years ago broke the side marker here. And if you look, you'll see a big gap here. And basically, I jerry-rigged it back together. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to pull the bumper off to repair the side marker. The thing that holds it, the actual plastic piece had busted, and I bought the replacement parts. And these instructions work on a 79 through a 86, but I need to go on and I need to repair this whole entire bracket. It completely fell out. It was busted up. And as you can see, I park in the garage. Well, one of these times I pulled in and I hit the garage door and ended up doing damage to all this. So I'm at the point now where I'm going to pull the bumper off and repair that side marker. I have a replacement side marker to be safe, but I already know I broke the they're actually called the fender marker light supports. I already broke it, know it's broken, and there's no easy way to get in there without yanking the bumper off, or the bumper shroud, or whatever you want to call it. So basically there's these two screws here, or bolts. There's 5 on each side. There may be a 6th one, I can't tell yet based on the instructions, and there's some on the bottom. I'll actually remove these last, so that way it'll make it easier to get to all the lights, pull everything out and stuff as I'm going. All right, so there's 4 screws here you have to remove on the bottom. when you take off a 79 through 86 bumper, there's 5 screws, 5 nuts on the side, 2 in the middle here. So there's a total of 7. And plus there's this middle one here that holds on the bracket to the door, or to the hood latch. Again, it's a different setup for the through a 87 through a 93 Mustang, but plus these 2 right here. So 7 plus these 2 plus that one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 total of 17 total.